Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error code. Whenever you try to open any Microsoft Store application, whenever you try to sign in, it may be Word or any Microsoft Store application, or when you launch any Xbox Game Pass game from Xbox app or store, if you're receiving this error message, or Minecraft, any application, whenever you try to log in, you are receiving this error. Now to fix it, the first step is to uh, start. Sorry, let me cancel this. So to fix it, you have to start Microsoft account sign in assistant. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services over here. Find Microsoft account sign in assistant, make a double click, set this to automatic. So if this is disabled, automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, and then make a right click on Microsoft account sign in assistant, click on restart. Now you can check that error should go away. Now gamers, if you're facing problem with the game, Xbox app, Minecraft, anything, run gaming services repair tool. So if you are able to go to the Xbox app, click on your profile icon. If you are able to, you can go to support and then click on gaming services repair tool, click on start repairing, click on yes to allow, let the repair complete. This process will take some time. You can even run gaming services repair tool from the website. You can go to the official Microsoft website which says support.xbox.com. On this page you will see downloadable version, click on it and then click on download the gaming services repair tool for PC, and then you can run this exe file and then click on yes to allow. Let the repair complete. The repair will take some time. Once this is complete, you will see completed successfully, then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to run inet cpl.cpl command. So type in inet cpl.cpl, click on it and then go to advanced tab. Make sure use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all four are checked, and then hit apply. Apply is important. Click on OK and then you have to relaunch the application or the game. Now the next step is to use another network. So if you have any other network available, you can switch to different network and then check. If that does not work, you can use phone hotspot. So you can turn on the data on the phone, turn on the hotspot on your phone, and then you can connect to your phone network and then you can check. Still not working, you can repair or reset the app, that particular app. For example, if you're facing problem with the Word, if you've installed it from Microsoft Store, and this is just an example. If you're facing problem with Xbox app or maybe Microsoft Store, whichever, maybe Outlook, so whichever app is giving you trouble, make a right click, go to app settings and then scroll down. First of all, click on terminate and then click on repair. Once the repair is done, you can check. If that does not work, you can even reset, and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to uninstall recently installed update. So sometimes the Windows update is the problem. Along with the update, sometimes you face this problem. So if you have installed any update on your computer, Windows update, you can go to Windows update, update history, and then go to uninstall updates, and you might see any update after installing the update. If you started facing the problem, then you can uninstall that update. Uninstalling Windows update is not recommended, but after installing this, if you're facing problem, you can uninstall it and then click on uninstall. Here you can say uninstalling updates may put your PC at risk. But after installing this update, any update you're facing the problem, you can uninstall that update. After the uninstall, you have to restart your PC, and after the system restart, you can check. Next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your PC and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.